Good afternoon, friends. It's Miss Amanda, and I wanted to say hello. And it's time for afternoon group. Let's do our rule song. Ready? Eyes on teacher, eyes on teacher. Listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands. And a calm body, and a calm body. Today, if you see on your screen, I see some things called letters. We're going to talk about letters today, and we're going to talk about putting the alphabet in order. So on the screen, it says A blank, C blank, E blank. Let's do this. Let's see. Let's say the alphabet. A, what comes next? Your turn to tell me. A. Is that a B? It's a B. You're right. Let's put the B in the box. A, B. All right, so let's see. A, B, C. What comes next? Your turn to tell me. A, B, C. It's D, you're right, D. Let's put it in. A, B, C, D, E. What comes next? You tell me. What letter is this? F. Nice job. So this top line will look like this. A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's find those letters. All right. A. Oh, is that a B? Yes, it is. Let's make it match. Go all the way up. Put it in here. A, B, C, D. Let's make it match. That matches, right? A, B, C, D, E. Comes next. F. Does that look the same? Yes, we did it. A, B, C, D, E, F. What's next? I see more letters. We start with letter G. G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What comes next? You tell me. H. Nice job. Let's put an H. H, I. What comes next? You tell me. What letter? Good, it's a J. Let's put a J. G, H, I, J, K. What comes next? I'm going to tell you this. L. What letter? L. Let's see. We did it, friends. So we did the first line up here. A, B, C, D, E, F. Now we're going here to G. Let's make it look the same. All right. G. H. Does that look the same? Yes. I, J. Oh, here's the J. K. And then what's next? L. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I. Where's that J? Did I move it? Oh my gosh, I made a mistake. H, I, J. K, L. Nice job. So let's do it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. What comes after M? This letter is N. Let's put it in. O, P. And what's this last letter down here? What's this letter called? It is an R. Nice job. Let's put it here. All right. Let's see if it sounds right. Let's say the alphabet together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. We did it. We put the alphabet in order. That's not all of the letters, but that's some of them. So we put the alphabet in order. Nice job, friends.